3rd and 1 here for New Orleans. And look at Brees going down the field, and he's picked off. Jumping in front with the theft is Darian Stewart. He read it perfectly as Brees was trying to find out of the backfield Cadet. Start the second quarter, 1st down for Saints. And ball's in the air and picked off by Stewart again. And he never got his balance. Slightly tripped up by Ingram as he was ready to take off.
Well, the coverage is just so tight. And it was Bradley Roby coming from the outside. Comes the slant to your right. Look how close the coverage. Bradley Roby is all over it. Has his left arm in front to knock the pass down.
It's Michael Thomas who tried to make the catch.
Yep, just couldn't shake him, and that's, again, they don't know many defenses on this Denver side except, oh, I got this guy, you got that one. As I always talked about it during the Super Bowl. Wade Phillips likes 10 one-on-ones. 5 rushers against your 5 protectors, and all my defensive backs one-on-one with a guy in the middle, which is Darian Stewart, who has those 2 interceptions.